Welcome to day 4 of our 30-day English speaking course. You're doing amazing so far. In the last lesson, we practiced small talk and everyday questions. Today, we're going to talk about something everyone has, a daily routine. When you can talk about your day in English, you gain confidence and fluency. It also helps you practice grammar, vocabulary, and sentence structure naturally. Let's begin. Part 1. What is a daily routine? A daily routine is everything you do in a typical day, from morning to night. For example, you wake up, you eat breakfast, you go to work or school, you come home, you go to sleep. These are all part of your daily routine. Part 2. Common daily routine verbs. Here are some useful action verbs for daily routines. Wake up, get up, brush my teeth, take a shower, get dressed, eat breakfast, go to work, study, have lunch, come home, watch TV, cook dinner, go to bed, sleep. Repeat after me. Wake up, brush my teeth, take a shower, eat breakfast, go to work, come home, go to bed. Practice these verbs until they're easy to say. Part 3. Talking about your morning routine. Let's focus on the morning first. Example. I wake up at 6:30. Then I get up and brush my teeth. After that, I take a shower and get dressed. I eat breakfast at 7:30. At 8 o'clock, I go to work. Now you try. Say your own morning routine using simple sentences. Start with, I wake up at, then why? After that, I. Part 4. Talking about your daytime routine. Now let's move on to the daytime routine. Example. I arrive at work at 9 a.m. I check emails and attend meetings. I have lunch at 1 p.m. In the afternoon, I work on my computer. I leave work at 5 p.m. If you're a student, I go to school at 8 a.m. I have classes until 2 p.m. I eat lunch in the cafeteria. I study in the library in the afternoon. Try to say your own daytime routine. Part 5. Talking about your evening routine. Here's how to talk about what you do in the evening. I get home at 6 p.m. I relax and watch TV for a bit. Then I cook dinner and eat with my family. After dinner, I read or go for a walk. I go to bed at 10:30. Now your turn. What do you usually do after work or school? What time do you go to bed? Use full sentences to describe your evening. Part 6. Time expressions for routine. To talk about routines, we often use time expressions. Here are some common ones. In the morning, at noon, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night, every day, on weekdays, on weekends, at 7 o'clock, around 10 p.m. Examples. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I study in the afternoon. I watch movies on weekends. Repeat after me and try using these in your own sentences. Part 7. Using the simple present tense. We use the simple present tense to talk about routines. Structure. Subject plus base verb. Add S for he, she, it. Examples. I wake up at 6. He wakes up at 7. They eat lunch at noon. She goes to work at 9. Repeat. I go to bed at 11. He watches TV at night. We eat dinner together. She reads before sleeping. Part 8. Practice dialogue. Let's practice a dialogue about daily routine. A. What time do you wake up? B. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. A. What do you do after that? B. I brush my teeth and take a shower. Then I eat breakfast. A. What do you do during the day? B. I go to school. I have classes until 3 p.m. A. What about the evening? B. I do my homework, eat dinner, and watch some TV. I go to bed at 10:30. Now, say it by yourself. You can use your own answers. Part bonus vocabulary, daily habits. Here are more habits you can talk about. Check social media, exercise or go to the gym, call a friend, drink coffee, take a nap, do the dishes, feed the pets. Try using these. I check my phone in the morning. I go to the gym after work. I feed my cat in the evening. Great job! Part 10, review time. Let's review what we've learned today. Common daily routine verbs, morning, daytime, and evening routines, time expressions, using the simple present tense, daily habits. You're getting better every day. Keep it up. Quiz time. Please answer these in the comment section below. The correct answers are available in the PDF linked in the description box below. 1. What tense do we talk about daily routines? 2. How do you say what time you wake up and go to bed? 3. Complete the sentence. I usually blank at 7 a.m. After that, I blank. That's all for day 4. Practice talking about your day today. I'll see you in day 5, where we'll learn how to describe people and things in English. See you tomorrow.